Do you understand English but struggle to speak it confidently? In the next few minutes, you'll hear a natural English conversation that can help you sound more fluent, speak more naturally, and build confidence in real-life situations.
Talking about a night when you couldn't sleep. Good morning, David. You look a little tired today. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning, Emma. Unfortunately, I did not sleep well at all because I had a very difficult night.
Oh no. What happened that made it so difficult for you to sleep?
I went to bed at my usual time, but I just could not fall asleep, no matter how hard I tried.
That sounds frustrating because lying awake for a long time can feel endless.
Yes, it was very frustrating because I kept looking at the clock and watching the hours pass by.
Do you know what was causing the problem? Or was it just one of those sleepless nights?
I think I had too many things on my mind, and I could not stop thinking about them.
Were you worried about something specific? Or were your thoughts just moving from one topic to another?
It was a little of both, because I was thinking about work, family matters, and future plans.
I understand, because sometimes our minds become very active when everything around us is quiet.
That is exactly how I felt. And every time I tried to relax, a new thought appeared.
Did you try anything to help yourself fall asleep more easily?
Yes, I turned off my phone and tried some deep breathing exercises.
That was probably a good idea, because bright screens can sometimes make sleeping even harder.
I agree, but even after putting my phone away, I still could not relax completely.
How long were you awake before you finally fell asleep?
I think I stayed awake for almost 3 hours before I finally started feeling sleepy.
3 hours is a very long time to be lying in bed awake.
It really was. And I became more stressed because I knew I would be tired the next day.
Sometimes worrying about not sleeping can make it even harder to fall asleep.
That is true, because I kept calculating how many hours of sleep I had left.
Did you get out of bed at any point during the night?
Yes, I got up and drank a glass of water to help myself feel calmer.
Did that help you relax a little?
It helped for a short time, but my mind started racing again when I returned to bed.
I have experienced that before, and it can be very exhausting.
Exactly. And I remember staring at the ceiling while thinking about many unnecessary things.
Sometimes our brains choose the worst possible time to become creative and active.
That is funny because I suddenly started thinking about problems I had not considered for months.
It is amazing how our minds can bring back old memories late at night.
Yes, and those memories kept me awake even longer than I expected.
Did you eventually find a way to calm your thoughts?
I started focusing on my breathing and listening to some quiet, relaxing music.
That sounds like a peaceful way to help your mind slow down.
Fortunately, after a while, I began feeling more relaxed and less anxious.
Was that when you finally managed to fall asleep?
Yes, I eventually drifted off to sleep sometime after 2 o'clock in the morning.
No wonder you look tired today, because that is much later than usual.
Yes, and when my alarm rang this morning, I felt like I had only closed my eyes for a few minutes.
That must have made getting out of bed very difficult.
It definitely did. And I wanted to stay in bed for several more hours.
Have you had many sleepless nights like this before?
Not very often, but it happens whenever I feel stressed or overwhelmed.
Then it sounds like stress may have been the main reason for your sleepless night.
I think so, and I need to find better ways to manage my stress.
Maybe taking a walk, reading a book, or practicing meditation could help.
Those are great suggestions, and I would like to try them in the future.
I hope you can get a better night's sleep tonight.
Thank you. I hope so too, because I really need some rest.
Perhaps you should go to bed a little earlier and avoid caffeine this evening.
That sounds like a good plan, and I will definitely give it a try.
I'm glad we talked about it because sharing these experiences can be helpful.
I agree, because it reminds me that everyone has sleepless nights from time to time.
Exactly. And the important thing is learning healthy habits that improve sleep.
Thank you for listening and for giving me such useful advice.
You are welcome. And I hope tomorrow you will feel refreshed and full of energy.
Thanks, Emma. I am looking forward to having a peaceful and restful night tonight.